Okay, guys. So today I will show you how to use EpiModel and igraph package in R. I do this model. I use both of these package in combination so that I can prepare network analysis by using R. So I can do a visualization that's very nice by using four visualization, which is by default random layout. Like a French something layout and Kamada Kawaii layout. And then so by using this package, I found it quite very advanced actually, but somehow I just try to summarize it. I using the data from Gepi, and then based on that data, prepare the direction of the relationship between organization, and then make a layout. So I will, without further ado, I'll show you the how I do this one. Let's share entire screen. Okay. So okay, let's see the here. So from Gepi in R, we have this knots and edges data right from Gepi. We in R in Gepi. If people who are familiar with data network analysis, they know Gepi. So R actually we just use knots and edges that are created from Gepi because visually the visualization in Gepi is not very nice. So we want to make it the layout relationship better. So we use EpiModel and igraph later. So this is knots and edges. We can see this data here. I prepared the data. So when we get the edges data, usually we will have this source, target, type, ID, label, and weight, but we don't have this first and second. First and second here is the data that I will show you how I create this first and second. So this will show you how the relationship between target one and it's 0 to 1, 0 to 0, 0 to 4. This is a directed relationship. So we will create that relationship by using first and second. So Bakash with DOE, Bakash with Bakash, 0 with 4, Bakash with LA, 0 with 5, Bakash with PTG. So I will create this first by using EpiModel to create this relationship. So let me show you how I create these edges. So so and the nodes, I will show you the data for the nodes. So you can get the data from the node easily. Just rearrange everything like this so that is look cleaner. The data will look cleaner. So you have ID. So Bakas is 0, DOE is 1, DMG is 2. That is what it's mean here. PTG is 5. So all this information 0 to 25 is very important because when we do the edges, we later on we will see relationship between 0 to 1, 0 to 0 because the direction will be the arrowhead will be from 1 to 6 or something like that. So this is the label for each of this number, vector and eigenvector. So let's see. So this is install your EpiModel package first in R. If you doesn't have EpiModel, it's easily can be installed. Library EpiModel. So I have installed EpiModel. And then you set your working directory where you put your knot and edges just now. So this is the original knot and edges for this package. So I read knot data in H data, which is in the CSV file format. So we can see the table here. So we have how many department is actually here. We can see there is about length not data one. Let's see how many department do we have. We have 26. So usually I put the number here that there is a 26 department. So I want to see the relationship between this department. So and then you do this not color. This is to give the color. You can put the color any color actually that you want, but I just put everything blue here because this I don't need this color actually. I just use this for the coding because the color later on I can use the other layout that will give you a rainbow palette, so it doesn't matter. So by using this EpiModel, yeah, just I want to do this knot. So nodes color dark gray. So and then all the other nodes color nodes data label for all of the network you have here just now. You put all of it here. You put all of it here until down here, all of it. All you need to change is only this label. Label. You have label, Bakash, DOE, DMG. I use only short form so that when we prepare the visualization later on, it will be look very nice. If you use the long form name, it's very difficult. So we have not data onset 0, not data terminus infinite, H data attributes. This is what we want to create. We want to create these attributes relationship between all of these 26 organization. So we have 83 relationship. So run this code. So from source to target, from source. That's why we have source and target just now. We want to make a direction between source and target. So run this, and then we get our result. You see? You see? We have source and target directed so that we have first and second, Bakash and DOE. Bakash and Bakash, Bakash and LA, Bakash and PTG. So this is all the relationship between the organization. So after we get this result, so we print it, and then we get this this result. So I just what I want the data that I want is only this one, the attributes, these attributes. So and then I put it in this the original data set, and then I put it. You know, you can easily just use this data text to column delimited thing, and next finish. Then you get first and second. So you will have first and second. So this is first and second. So you will get this first and second new column. Put it here, arrange properly. So you have it will go exactly. It doesn't go more or less. Exactly 83 here. Okay. So we just actually change the label here to the name here, so that in our visualization the name it will be available instead of number. We don't want number. It's very hard to understand. Okay, now we do this network analysis in R. So this one we use library igraph. So igraph here. If you haven't installed igraph, you use igraph, and then set your working directory, and then read your data just now with the additional column first and second. So Bakash have a relationship directed to DOE, Bakash with Bakash, Bakash with LA, Bakash with PTG, Bakash with RSAJ, something like that. So you read that new data that you created by using EpiModel. So EpiModel I just use actually to create that relationship between nodes. And then create a data frame for edges. So first to second, create the edges first to second, and then create the graph object, graph object from data edges directed through, and then set the vertex level. So and then compute not degrees. You can compute not degrees, and then we plot histogram of not degree. So this is the histogram of the not degree that you can create. That one of good information that you, if you publish some paper or something like that, you can prepare this result, this histogram to show the knot degrees. So in the y-axis is the number of the knots that you have, and then the degree of the vertices. This is very good information that you can show in your paper. And then you can do a plot. We have 4 plot here that I have prepared. One is a network default layout. Another one is Fusterman Rengold layout, Kamadakawai layout, and random layout. This is the best one. I like random layout actually. But random layout, you need from what I understand, when we prepare this layout, you need to maybe 2 or 3 layout maybe all of these 4 layout so that the information will support each other, something like that. So let's see for plot for default layout. You see this is the default layout. It looks like this. You see they have the arrowhead, arrow to see the relationship between DOM with LA, IWK with VET, something like that. And then we have Fushterman Rengot layout. Fushterman looks like this. It will give you the knots also different different kind of size. So it gives you some kind of information, the weight of its information there, based on the size of the knots. And then we have Kamada Kawai layout. Let's see, there's this is Kamada Kawai layout. DOA is not a very strong relationship. This is only in the periphery, DOS, but the biggest one is LA. The ID, I think the red one is Bakash. This is a very big one. Let's see, I want to see this one also just now. Other than that, I think the red one is Bakash maybe. Yeah, I don't know. You can look at it. Maybe random layout. You can see random layout is quite easy to understand the relationship. You can use this one. Bakash, the red one is Bakash. Very big one. This big one. SAJ is the blue one. LA, the ID also very big. SPAN, PTG, local authority also very big. Here you can see the relationship between all of this organization. So the prominent one can be Bakash, the ID. I think this one, you see they still overlap. That's why you need to prepare different layout for these purposes. But somehow this is the best that we can produce based on these packages. So you can use random layout. I will recommend that one, and then use another layout just to support your result. So I think that's all for today. There is another layout actually, but somehow it's not working for me. There is a circular layout, grid layout, but it's not working. I don't know what happened, but it's okay. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, comment below.